I am Dr. Josephine, a divorce recovery coach and a trauma-informed care coach. I'm here to speak to you today on how you can reclaim your confidence after divorce. Some people think divorce is the end of the world. It's not the end of you. And how do you reclaim your confidence after divorce? There are 3 steps I'm going to share with you today. The first one is for you to celebrate small milestones, small wins. Don't let divorce deter you from celebrating small wins. I know divorce can be very devastating, but it's crucial you celebrate your small wins to build your confidence. Number 2, you need to silence the inner critic. Those negative thoughts that wants to overpower you. Those naysayers around you, letting you think you are a failure, letting you lose your confidence. You need to silence the inner critic by thinking positively, by affirming positively, saying out positive affirmations. And the third, by stepping out of your comfort zone. Some of us like to box ourselves inside our comfort zone. You need to step outside your comfort zone to face challenges, to be positive that you are an overcomer, you can overcome any kind of challenges that comes your way. And that's the only way you can build your confidence. By frontal confrontation of those challenges you might be facing. You build your confidence. You enhance your resilience to be able to unlock your personal or professional development. Join me again next week while I give you some tips as well. Check the description link for further details you need to know. Let's talk. We can help each other. I am there for you.